Before drawing, choose a reference that is completely visible, sharply focused, has a clear, dominant light source, a simple background, and a subject that you care about. I have chosen my mischievous but fun-loving mutt, Oakely. Step 1 is preparation. Prepare your paper by lightening the graphite with an eraser. Be sure to clear away all erasures. Preserve your drawing paper throughout the process, keeping it presentable. With a color scheme already in mind, I plan to use these three colors for the majority of Oakley's fur. Using correct technique, I did some experimental blending to get the reddish blonde color of Oakley's fur. Step 2. Use technique, outline, and fill. Using medium pressure, outline an area before you fill it. Best practice is to outline first. This allows you to control the contours and to fill more rapidly. With a sharp color pencil, use a medium to light pressure to hatch the fill with very short controlled strokes. The fill should have a fuzzy quality that shows the texture of the drawing paper. Repeat the outline and fill techniques with the base color of your blend. I chose orange. Crosshatch the second color to blend over the base color. Be sure to consistently use medium pressure and short controlled strokes. Finally, I will complete the blending for the majority of Oakley's fur with my third color, which is brown. Step 3. Develop values with color. Beware, the singular use of black in a color pencil drawing will flatten the image. Dark brown is a better choice for the shades in Oakley's fur. I'm using the dark brown to shade the white areas of Oakley's fur, and I will continue to use my reference for accuracy. In some areas, I will apply light pressure, and in others, a firm pressure. The white paper makes a white color pencil unnecessary. Like stark black, white can also flatten a drawing, so I will leave only the whitest parts uncolored to represent light hitting Oakley's fur. I have chosen to apply yellow very lightly over most of the white of his fur. Because violet is the complement of yellow, I can use it to lightly blend into the yellow and change it into an off-white. This technique will work with any pair of complements, but I recommend using complements that will already be in your drawing. Step 4. Develop details. Details, such as the eyes, should be done after the majority of the figure. I will apply the tints of the eyes first. This includes drawing a protective outline around the white glares in the eyes first. Next is basic color for the details, such as brown for Oakley's irises. Lastly, complete details with darker colors. Black is necessary for the darkest values, but it should be used last. Step 5. Complete the subject. Once the details are defined, complete the subject with a final shading of dark colors or black. Step 6. Complete the background. The same method of outlining and cross-hatching fill should be applied to the background. To emphasize Oakley as my focal point, I'll keep the background simple with just a floor and wall. Using blue, I will outline around my subject first. Next, I will crosshatch with blue, violet, and black to give the background definition, shadow, and light. Step 7. Final touches. Once the background is complete, you may find it necessary to return to the subject and refine it with darker values.